All right, we are here right now at the Elefin Farm Cafe. You can see the views are beautiful. So my friend, she, I guess, works here, models here, whatever the case may be. So we're here to check out some elephants. And we got some bananas and sugar cane to feed them. I believe here they treat them very ethically as well, so no concern there. Whoa. Selfie, classic. Little baby elephant, poop. Do they eat it out of your hands? How does it work?
Yeah, you give them.
Cool. So there's a platform you have to walk up. Oh my god.
Here.
Yeah, show me. What? Oh, the
Can I
trunks.
hold it for you? Here.
Okay. The trunks are so big. It's
Yeah.
kind of interesting. What do you do?
Just give it to them.
Oh. Oh, it's crazy. Wow. Oh.
It's not.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you want some?
没有哦，奥迪。
You have to try.
So you be careful. Be careful.
Oh, you don't do it at the nose?
They grab it.
You do. They grab it underneath. Go. You want to take it?
Woo. Okay, I'm getting more used to it now. If you feel it a couple times, it's not as bad.
The baby elephant.
Where?
Here.
Can you feed? Oh, it's hairy.
Get a banana, maybe.
Whoa.
Give this one to
This?
one.
Okay. Take.
You can get the basket.
You can reach?
Wait. Yeah, give it to the baby.
Oh, baby. Here, baby. Here, baby. Oh. Wow. It's so big. Go, BT, go.
Hold on. Don't take the whole thing.
Wait, the other guy.
Oh. Whoa, it's so loud. Can't you eat this? Can they just keep eating all day?
Yeah.
They just keep going. Wow. Oh. Can you just pet them? You have to feed them.
Yeah.
Whoa.
No.
Whoa. Oh my god. Ah. Look at my hand. Ah.
Oh.
These elephants are so wild.
Beat the little one.
I don't have any more food. But he ate a lot too. So there's a few elephants here, and apparently this place they own like this whole mountain. So there's elephants all in the mountains walking around. That's the owner over there of this whole place.
There's a more tiny one.
Where? Oh. Elephants are so hairy. I had no idea. Why don't they have tusks like the?
Because the females don't have tusks, and the males only are the ones that have.
Oh, these are females.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, he's a tusk here. This is a male.
This is a girl.
Oh.
But she
Sorry,
has,
I don't have anything.
Small little tusks.
These are the activity packages here. You can do riding, bathing, riding and bathing. Huh. Oh, there's a sink. Great.
Yeah. Go wash your hands.
Oh. Bunch of elephant snot. Holy crap, it's so big. Yeah, he's afraid. Oh. Oh my god. Oh.
Every shot.
Speed. Do it again. Oh, I see something. Whoa. He's breastfeeding right now. Whoa.
How long do they do that? For like 2-3 years.
That's crazy.
I didn't know the boobies there.
Maybe like closing his eyes, so enjoying it. Wow. Oh. Cute baby. So they have a lot of seating area here too. You can order at the cafe. Oh, little play toy. Whoa.
She's not scared.
Her? Yeah, I'm terrified.
Oh, really? Wait, hi, no, wait.
What happened?
They're gonna play with the water.
Oh. Ooh, a swing.
Oh.
Oh, it looks so refreshing. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, he's going in the bathtub? How does he know to go in there? Whoa! Just put the hose in his mouth.
โอ้ยมันกินหมดเลย
Is he drinking? Is he drinking the water right now?
I think so.
Whoa, it drinks so fast.
The elephant is very smart. They learn, you know, because we don't teach them how to drink water.
Yeah.
But she knows that. And she just put the
Water, yeah. Wow.
when she see her mother doing that, and she knows
Oh, it learns. Yeah. Wow.
it's very clever.
Money, money, money. Oh. She's like,
Oh.
enough. Enough wetness.
Whoa. It's so fun watching.
Oh, no, Narissa.
Oh,
Is she gonna make it?
LOL.
Okay.
เก่งมาก
โอ้โถลูก
ขาสั้นไง
Oh.
เหมือนเด็กเลย
So elephant just showered. Now it's throwing dirt on itself again. Oh. Mom is eating.
โอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้
Oh. That's how I feel sometimes too.
What is he doing?
Yeah, so this place is cool. They have elephants here, and then they have a cafe right here too. I guess that's why they call it Elefin Cafe.